Subaru dealerships are caught in a maintenance contradiction that's costing owners thousands in premature transmission failures, while independent mechanics fight to extend CVT life with proper fluid changes. Subaru corporate pushes a policy that mechanics privately call automotive malpractice. The company officially labels CVT fluid as lifetime fill, meaning they claim you never need to change it. But here's the explosive part. Subaru sells the exact same vehicles in international markets with mandatory fluid change intervals every 30,000 miles. According to verified technical service bulletins and international maintenance schedules, the same CVT that's lifetime in America requires regular fluid changes everywhere else on Earth. In this video, you're about to see documented evidence of this policy contradiction, the real-world failure patterns it creates, and the exact mileage points where neglected CVT fluid causes catastrophic damage costing $8,000 or more to repair. This isn't about what Subaru marketing wants you to believe. This is about what transmission specialists see failing in their bays every single week. Let's expose the maintenance schedule that protects Subaru's warranty period while destroying transmissions right after coverage expires. The lifetime fluid fraud. Here's what Subaru won't explain in dealer service departments. According to the official United States maintenance schedule for 2020 through 2026 Outback and Forester models, CVT fluid carries no change interval. The owner's manual states inspection only, with replacement if necessary. That vague language creates a critical problem. Dealership service advisors have zero financial incentive to recommend fluid changes that Subaru corporate doesn't require. But examine Subaru's Australian maintenance schedule for the identical CVT transmission. According to verified documents from Subaru Australia, the same transmission requires CVT fluid replacement every 60,000 kilometers, which converts to 37,280 miles. Subaru Europe mandates similar intervals. The transmission design hasn't changed. The fluid chemistry hasn't changed. The only difference is corporate liability exposure and warranty cost management. According to analysis from Bob is the Oil Guy forum members who've tested used CVT fluid at various mileage intervals, significant fluid degradation begins around 40,000 miles. Lab analysis shows viscosity breakdown, elevated metal content from clutch pack, wear, and additive depletion that compromises the fluid's ability to maintain proper hydraulic pressure. By 60,000 miles, fluid samples show contamination levels that transmission specialists consider dangerous for long-term component protection. The real-world failure pattern. Independent transmission shops report a consistent CVT failure timeline for Subarus that follow the lifetime fluid recommendation. According to verified repair data from multiple high-volume Subaru specialists, shuttering during acceleration typically begins between 80,000 and 120,000 miles for vehicles that never received fluid changes.
Yeah, there it was right there. You could see it a little bit right there.
This shuttering represents the CVT belt slipping against contaminated pulley surfaces that can no longer maintain adequate friction. The progression accelerates rapidly from that point. According to technicians at Subaru specialty shops, once shuttering begins, complete CVT failure typically occurs within 10,000 to 20,000 miles. Without fluid replacement, the transmission enters a failure cascade where degraded fluid causes increased heat, which further degrades remaining fluid quality, creating accelerating component wear until total failure.
If it burns more than a quart in 1,000 miles, go to the dealer and have them replace your short block. It should fix the issue.
Replacement cost tells the financial story. According to verified quotes from Subaru dealerships across multiple states, CVT replacement ranges from $7,500 to $9,500, including labor. Remanufactured units cost slightly less at $8,000. But most owners facing this repair choose to trade vehicles instead, taking massive depreciation hits on otherwise functional cars killed by transmission failure. The preventive maintenance reality. Proper CVT fluid service costs dramatically less than replacement. According to current pricing from Subaru dealerships, complete CVT fluid exchange using genuine Subaru high torque CVT fluid typically costs between $350 and $450. Independent shops using the correct Subaru spec fluid charge $250 to $350 for the same service. The fluid itself carries specific requirements. Subaru CVTs require either genuine Subaru high-torque CVT fluid or Idemitsu CVTF fluid, which Subaru actually sources from Idemitsu and rebrands. According to verified part numbers, Subaru part number SOA427V9100 sells for approximately $90 per gallon at dealerships. The transmission holds approximately 19 quarts, requiring 5 gallons for complete fluid exchange. Here's the critical service interval question. Based on fluid analysis data and international maintenance schedules, transmission specialists recommend CVT fluid replacement every 30,000 to 40,000 miles for maximum longevity. Some conservative owners follow 30,000 mile intervals, others push to 50,000 miles as a compromise between Subaru's never recommendation and international 37,000 mile requirements. The cost comparison mathematics. Let's calculate real ownership costs over 200,000 miles. Following Subaru's lifetime fluid recommendation costs $0 in preventive maintenance, but typically results in CVT failure between 100,000 and 150,000 miles. At 120,000 miles, you face a $7,500 replacement cost. Total ownership cost, $7,500. Now calculate proactive fluid changes every 40,000 miles. That's 5 fluid services over 200,000 miles at $350 each. Total preventive cost, $1,750. The transmission survives the entire ownership period without failure. The financial difference is $5,750 in favor of regular fluid changes, assuming you even keep the vehicle after transmission failure. Most owners trade or sell at huge losses when facing 4-figure transmission repairs, making the real cost difference even larger when factoring in accelerated depreciation. The warranty protection scam. Here's Subaru's calculated corporate strategy. The standard warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. The powertrain warranty extends to 5 years or 60,000 miles. Notice how both warranty periods conveniently end before typical CVT problems emerge from fluid neglect. According to the failure timeline data, shuttering rarely begins before 80,000 miles on lifetime fluid. By that point, you're 15,000 to 20,000 miles past any warranty coverage. Subaru has zero financial exposure to transmission failures caused by their own maintenance recommendations. The cost falls entirely on owners who trusted corporate guidance. This creates perverse incentives throughout the dealer network. Service advisors follow corporate maintenance schedules because that's what protects Subaru from warranty claims during the coverage period. What happens at 90,000 miles doesn't affect Subaru's bottom line, so there's no corporate motivation to recommend preventive fluid changes that would extend CVT life beyond warranty expiration. The inspection loophole. Subaru's official maintenance schedule does include CVT fluid inspection at certain intervals, but here's what that inspection actually involves according to dealership service procedures: a visual check for external leaks and a test drive to verify normal operation. No fluid analysis, no condition testing, no measurement of actual fluid degradation. According to service technicians at multiple Subaru dealers, the inspection rarely identifies problems until shuttering already appears during the test drive. By that point, significant internal wear has occurred. The inspection becomes a documentation exercise rather than genuine preventive maintenance. The bottom line protection strategy. If you own a Subaru with CVT transmission, implement this protection plan immediately. At 30,000 miles, have the CVT fluid completely exchanged using genuine Subaru high-torque CVT fluid or equivalent Idemitsu CVTF specification. Repeat this service every 30,000 to 40,000 miles throughout ownership. Save all service receipts, documenting fluid changes with mileage records. If you ever face CVT problems, this documentation proves you exceeded Subaru's maintenance requirements, strengthening any goodwill warranty claim you might pursue after standard coverage expires. For vehicles already past 60,000 miles without any fluid service, get the fluid changed immediately. Yes, some mechanics warn against fluid changes in high mileage neglected transmissions, fearing that fresh fluid might dislodge accumulated debris. But transmission specialists report better outcomes with late fluid changes than continuing to operate on degraded fluid that's guaranteed to cause failure. The math is undeniable. $1,750 in preventive fluid changes over 200,000 miles versus $7,500 $500 for premature transmission replacement. Subaru's lifetime fluid policy protects their warranty costs while destroying your transmission right after coverage expires. Have you followed Subaru's lifetime fluid recommendation, or do you change CVT fluid proactively? Drop a comment sharing your mileage and whether you've experienced any shuddering or transmission issues. If this breakdown saved you from an $8,000 mistake, hit that subscribe button for more Subaru maintenance truth that dealerships won't tell you.